everyone, today we are going to see that how can we integrate token with Shopify. As you can see right now, I have created one Shopify account. So just go to settings under your Shopify account, go to notifications. There you will find an option to add and create a webhook. Basically, this token and Shopify integration will help you receive an order on token directly, and it would be an autopilot function. So once you click on notifications, you will get a lot of functions. You just need to scroll down a little, and there you will find the option to create a webhook. So as you can see here, as you scroll down, there is an option to create the webhook. Just click on create webhook. Then you have to select the particular event on which you want the order. It can be order creation or order fulfillment according to your requirement. Keep the format as JSON, and in the URL there is a specific link that has to be added, which will be received from the token dashboard. Just go to your token account, token dashboard, settings, API keys, and then check for the V2 API key. If there is none present, then just click on generate key and a key will be generated. Just copy this key for the moment. And while we are on it, we have a document to integrate our Shopify account. So from there you can see for the step where you have to add an extra statement along with the link in the URL. So we'll be proceeding further for the same. Here, as you can see, you just need to select the prefront statement and just copy it on your Shopify account, and then after an equal to sign, just copy the V2 API key and click on save webhook. After you click on save webhook, basically an event will be created with the same name and callback URL will also be present there. Now, how are the orders created from Shopify and how do they reflect in tokens? So for the same, I'll just share an example. Now basically you just need to create an order, and after you go to the order section in your Shopify account, you will be able to see the different orders. Here I have created for cheese sandwich, and once you create the order, and then the same will be reflecting on token with a particular task ID. Basically it would be showing all the details, and you can rather refer to the refer to the functionality of token that you can assign the agent, and it would then the task would be assigned to the agent and accordingly it will be completed. Thank you and have a great